freedom, of course, but it gave the government all the tools they needed to intercept and extract terrorism by, of course, spying on us, by taking away our freedom, by watching everything that we do, expanded the U.S. government's authority to monitor and track, of course, terrorist activities. Literally using that word terrorist, anybody that they want to surveil, they can. And with all of that surveillance, then means the loss of your privacy. Now, there's increased surveillance powers through this Patriot Act allows for, of course, more surveillance. They can look at individuals, the ability to tap your phone, monitor your email communications, access your personal records, all of it without a court order. All of it without consent, taking away the checks and
That was
balances.
a red light for him.
In our system.
He makes a turn on red.
Your privacy. You know, when they expand the surveillance,
very illegal.
They don't have privacy anymore.
Yep.
And of course, that's how we care about, right? What I would say to that is, great, give me your phone. Let's see your phone. How do you feel about that? Why do you have a door on your back? Right? We all need privacy. It's not about doing something wrong. And then, of course, with that, we got an increase in financial surveillance and control, financial regulations controls, like we talked about before, the anti-money laundering AML, slowing down financial transactions, increasing the cost of financial
That's why I
transactions.
record.
With
You
that,
have to
we've
capture
also
all
seen,
these bad
the rise
people
of lots of other things.
and protect
I wanna get
myself
some more current
if
things.
they
We
hit
sort of
me.
what I'm seeing is,
Why
kind of
record
seeing as
audio and
Patriot
video?
Act going into place. And it's really being done under the
all
Biden
times
administration.
when I'm
Now, this
driving.
is not about left or right or blue or red. George Bush was a Republican,
Yeah,
and he
I
put the
am not
Patriot
trying
Act
to
in
get,
place,
I
okay?
am
And
not
that was
trying
the
to be
largest,
killed out here.
like I said, loss of our freedom in one bill. That was done by a Republican. But now we have it being done by the Biden administration, who's a Democrat. It's not about left or right. We'll call it George Bush, just like we're going to call it Biden for this. But he's been mobilizing government agencies to basically take away your freedom and your privacy, just like George Bush did, but even worse. Some of the things that he's done, for example, we saw Rep. Jim Jordan, who almost was elected to the Speaker of the
Still, yeah, I'm still the cable for my watch. I don't know what happened to it. Yeah, I don't know what happened to it. I really wish I knew.